So I'm going to show you how you can make my delicious snack bars, and they are super healthy. So what we need is our bowl, and we're going to use lots of dried fruit. So we need some dried raisins, so we need 100 grams of dried raisins, and we pop that in a bowl. And then I've done 100 grams of dates as well. And then you pop 100 grams of cranberries and around 30 grams of chopped nuts. Mix that all together. So once you've got this in the bowl, you need to pick your flavourings. So what I'm going to make today is a Cherry Bakewell inspired flavoured healthy bar. So I've used Moroccan almond extract, and it is amazing as it smells. So you add a teaspoon or two, depending on how much you want to put in and how strong your flavour is. Once you've added that together, you just need to give it a really good mix. And then we're going to pop it in here because we're going to blend it all together. So you can do this in sections as well. I fully advise doing in sections because you will have quite a lot and it does get a little bit messy. So do it bit by bit and then put it back in the bowl. Okay, so once you have blended it, we need to add this to our tray. So when you've blended it, you will find that it kind of all goes together. It looks a little bit like Christmas cake. So we're going to add this to here. The reason why I've chosen Cherry Bakewell as well is because as a child, this was my ultimate favourite thing. So I think if you can make something healthy, it's pretty good. So what we need to do is we need to spread this out on the tray, make it as thick as you want. I'm going to make it a couple of centimetres thick. So once you've got this right and it's kind of in the position that you want, you cover it over, and we're just going to pop this in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. So I've just taken these out of the oven. I've added a few chopped nuts on top of it to give that extra wow factor, but we've got to have a taste. So I'm just going to take a little bit off. They taste so good. Oh my goodness, you can definitely taste the almond kind of Cherry Bakewell flavour there. So there you have it, my super healthy, no cooking involved Cherry Bakewell snack bars that are good for you. You can find the recipes and all sorts of other recipes too on natalieeaglen.com.